is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change filter of your GE Smart double door side by side refrigerator. So first of all we have to take out old one. So here we go, we have old filter, you see here. So we have to move as I'm doing clockwise. It will come out as this. So this is done. You will have some water. So I will replace with another one, not original GE, little bit cheaper budget filter, but almost the same from Dream Blue. So you have to unpack this one. So I have to put as this and rotate other side. You may feel some water when you are doing, and tight, and you listen some water inside, some drop here and there. Clean it up. If you see normally shouldn't come, if it comes doesn't matter, all is fine and it's tight.